Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you.
Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome or welcome back if you... I said that wrong. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer. Why can't I get that together? Anyway, like I said, it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Y'all, I woke up at 3. I had to potty. I went to go pee, came back and laid down. King started getting restless, went and took him and Kevin to the bathroom, and then I could not get back to sleep. So I basically been up like 3:30, like continuously. And then I went to go ahead and I went to grab my phone. I was like, no, grab your phone to try to get back to sleep. Started having a muscle spasm. Grabbed a pack of mustard, ate that, drank some water, laid down. By the time I actually got settled, it was literally time for me to get up to get ready, and I was just snoozing, like putting that off as long as I could. But yeah, so it's Spider-Man Day. We are going to go see Spider-Man tonight at 6, so I'm excited about that. We're going to just turn this into a weekend vlog. I honestly thought Spider-Man was tomorrow, but as I said, it's today. Why am I talking with my hands? Anyway, I should have recorded yesterday. Yesterday was so hectic. One of our teachers is on vacation and she's getting married in Vegas, so congratulations to her. And then the other teacher who's stepping in for them, which is Miss Brittany, she had a doctor's appointment yesterday. So we had 21 kids, and anybody knows that when that many kids are in the classroom, what do? You get a balloon, you get a balloon, you get a balloon. Proof is in the pudding because everybody, I told all my kids yesterday, I was like, just leave your balloons in your cubby and then we can we can play with balloons today. So obviously they still have balloons. The other kids took their balloons to their classroom yesterday evening. Update. Brittany she had a fish tank at home. So Mighty has a bigger fish tank. And you can't really see them because of the glare, but there are 2 snails back there that's up on the thing to help keep them. My light was coming off, to help keep them clean. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to get lunch today. That's okay. Yeah. Also, after today, we officially have 1 week left before we go on a vacation. So we get a full paid week of vacation. I get to sleep in, I get to get up, the whole nine. Like, I'm so ready. And then the week after that, we have professional development week, which I think I might have took you all with me a little bit last year, I think. But it's just crazy because it's almost been a full year since I've been at this job. And I had the wonderful opportunity to go and work with somebody else. I'm just trying to make sure everything is just in the right alignment and everything is happening in God's timing and at the right time. So I kind of put that one off on hold because I'm currently also doing my CDA. It's a lot that's just going on, but he's going to make sure. Because to be completely honest, I am ready to be in this thing where I'm my own boss. I'm working for me, creating my schedules. Everything is in alignment. None of that has changed. So that was also another reason why I'm just kind of like, oh, do you really want to work up under somebody else? Like, happy that she has her own, like that was her dream, her goal. But I also want to, work on my dreams and my goals. Hi, Mighty Man. He's probably waiting to eat. Oh, we also had to put in the old filter temporarily because Brittany accidentally forgot the filter in her mom's car yesterday. So she's going to bring it today. Let me feed Mighty real quick because it is already 7 o'clock and I need to run to the restroom because 3, 4, 5, 6. Y'all know my first kid will literally be here in like 2 seconds. Eat up, Money Man. Oh, the snails are smelling. Gary and... is it Stanley? I know one is Gary. We named him from SpongeBob. Alright, let me go. I'll be right back.
Today is full of blessings. And my spirit feels so free. Good morning, beautiful.
Snail update. Remember how I showed y'all that they were over there on the glass? I come back. Brittany, what did you do? Tell the people what you did. What did you do?
And I come down.
What kind of snails did you get? A boy and a what?
A lady friend.
She got a boy and a girl. So they was over there. They were mating. And she knocked him off. So he is going back to get his sugar. Oh, look. Brittany got it. Y'all. It says that they can take 2 to 12 hours to finish their business. And then it said, how many days it said?
10
to 45?
Yeah.
10 to 45 days for her to hatch some eggs.
1,000 eggs.
1,000. What are we gonna do with 1,000 snails? They might as well call us PetSmart, Petco. I don't know. So who do they sell those? I don't even know if they sell those.
I bought them.
It's always Mighty Peaks that does something.
They were really mating.
Like, he is on a mission to get back to his girl because Brittany knocked him down. I haven't even eaten my breakfast. Let me eat my neck hurt. My neck was already hurting, but it really hurt trying to see what they was doing. And then I realized what they were doing. And where that fish at? Because I got to keep an eye on him. All right, y'all. Brittany.
It's fine.
Just checking in real quick. The kids are doing a Sonic Bluey freeze dance. If y'all can't even hear me because my other friends are being very loud right now. Half of them are actually outside doing water play. We missed water play yesterday because we were combined all morning or whatever. Anyway, they're out there doing water play. I have 8 of them in here with me. I think it might be even. It might be the same amount outside. My neck is hurting. I know it was because of the way I was laying on my bed yesterday, but that's fun. I should have took some Advil, but I had took a muscle relaxer instead, but that's not helping at all. So I'm just trying to wait a little bit before I take that. I keep touching my hair because this piece right here keeps sticking up, but that's the update for now. had to come back into the laundry room because she takes her blanket home, and I had put it in the basket earlier because she's not here today. So I got all the way back to my classroom just to realize I left it out, but I left it in the laundry room. Anyway, got that, back to class. I'm gonna be your mighty king, so enemies beware. I make YouTube videos. You quiet on the creek? Cross said he quiet on the creek. Cross said he quiet on the creek. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hi, Papa. Hey, no. My Papa. That's my Papa. This is my Papa. This is my Papa. This is my Papa. This is my Papa. Hey. Why you like that game? What you say? God damn, this shit's so damn slippery. He got it. Oh! He got that shit. He took it right out your hand. He took that junk right out your hand. God damn! Where are we going? Spotty time! Woo! My neck hurt, but I took an 800. So. You get one of what each.
Hi, my name is Peter Parker.
Gotta be a joke. There is no way. This absolutely not. Okay, because what? There is absolutely no way. What? Oh, we evacuate. What? We going to the booth. It better burn to the ground. Cause what? What? Oh no, there is no way. There is absolutely no way the fire alarm just went off. We were what, like within like the last 45 minutes of the movie.
Yeah.
It ain't no way. There is no freaking way that everybody is standing outside. Like what?
45 minutes in the movie and then the fire went.
There's no way. Shit, it's crazy. Now you hear the alarm going off. You hear a lot of them. It's more coming. Happy Friday.
Hey, bro, I got a question.
They is all 901 through 4. At least we can go back in, but they lied. They lied. Look at. They lying. They all 901 through 4. They're all 901 through 4.
I just hope it starts right where we are.
We are back.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
New Spider-Man sighting. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location found.
That's it, everyone. Go home.
Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I